Meaning of handyman.
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 Handyman. A handyman is a person who has a wide range of skills and knowledge related to home improvement, repairs, and maintenance. They typically handle tasks that are too small for a specialized contractor, such as fixing leaky faucets, painting walls, or repairing small appliances. Handyman services are often sought after by homeowners who either lack the time or expertise to tackle these types of tasks themselves. While some handymen may specialize in certain types of work, many have a broad range of skills that allow them to handle a variety of jobs around the house.